Okay, so how does Adobe's team licensing work? In this video, I'll be breaking down how the team licensing works for Adobe software as well as for Adobe Creative Cloud, so that by the end of this video, you will have a clear image of what you can expect if you want to buy Adobe software or Adobe products for your team or business. So yeah, I'm here over here at this Adobe, support webpage where Adobe is explaining you of how this so-called admin console works. And by the way, if you want to get Adobe Creative Cloud or any of the Adobe apps for your team, I've left a 14-day free trial link in the video description down below, which you can see you'll be getting a 14-day free trial. And if you click on the free trial over here, you'll see that you'll be getting access to this so-called admin console, which will allow you to manage licenses for your team. So at this checkout page, you'll most likely need to pick how many licenses you want for your team. So here, for the sake of this demonstration in this tutorial, I picked 6. You will have this drop-down menu, this drop-down option over here, and you will need to pick how many licenses you want for your team. So here I would click on 7 if you have 7 team members in your agency, for example, and then you continue with your order. You finish up your order, and then Adobe is going to show you step by step. Adobe is going to give you clear instructions on how to set up this admin console. And in this admin console, again, you'll be able to manage your subscription. You'll be able to manage your billing address or your payment details. And not only that, you're also going to be able to manage your users, your employees, and you're also going to be able to see which subscriptions you have. But most importantly, you'll be able to manage which employee has access to which Adobe product. Here, as you can see in this demonstration, whoever recorded this tutorial is showing 6 employees, so 6 people have access to Adobe's product. They all have the business ID, they all have the business license, but some, as you can see, some members only have access to Adobe Animate, while this member has access to the whole of the Adobe Creative Cloud. And yeah, from this admin console, you can manage all of this, and you'll be able to, add team members through their email address. So you're going to be able to add users. If you click on the add user section, if you click on the add user button over there, you can put in their email address, probably most likely their company email address, and then they're going to get an invite. With that invite link, they can join Adobe Creative Cloud or any of the Adobe software, and then from then again, Adobe is going to walk you through the employees on how to set everything up correctly. But not only that, you also see you'll also see just a second. Yeah, you'll also see the cloud storage being used for each team member, and you're going to be able to set how much each team member can use from the cloud storage. So this is a really good way, this cloud storage, to collaborate between team members. So for example, if you have multiple editors in the team, they're working on the same project, they can have the projects files in this cloud storage without everyone having to have their own external hard drive, for example. Yeah, and with this, they can work from the cloud, and from here, you're also going to be able to see and manage who has how much access to this cloud storage. So for example, here in this demonstration, there's this test account, and this test account is using 0% of the cloud storage. Yeah, you're going to be able to see a very detailed breakdown of which team member is using how much cloud storage. But not only that, you're also going to have access to audit logs of monitoring changes in the system, monitoring of who was accessing Adobe's admin console, as well as the Adobe apps. As you can see, there's this audit log as an example shown here. You can see that on December the 16th, 2022, a product assignment was changed. And yeah, you can basically track these step by step. You can also track the IP address. So that you can make sure who made these changes, just in case you add any managers to the admin console, or for example, there has been any requests from the individual users, because what can also happen is that you might restrict a feature. So for example, you might restrict your employees from using any apps, and then the employees could send you a request through the admin console. This is how it usually works with enterprise software licensing, or for a small medium enterprise licensing, is that team members could have access to the software, but then they have limitations, and you as the admin console manager is setting up these limitations, but then the team members can ask you for extensions of abilities. There you can also have access to those messages that employees might have requested. So yeah, this is how the admin console looks like. I've also left this page in the video description down below if you want to check it out for yourself in more detail. Adobe really gives you a step-by-step guidance on how to set this up if you get the subscription for yourself. Yeah, you will be able to manage everything: insights, settings, account managers, products, everything you need for your team and business to run sufficiently and good. Yeah, this 14-day free trial is also in the video description down below if you want to check it out for yourself. And if you click on buy now, there's this limited time offer where you'll be getting 50% off for the first 12 months. So if you click on buy now over there, as you can see, for the first 12 months, you'll be getting 50% off, which is going to bring down Creative Cloud's price for just $50 a month. So yeah, that's in the first link in the video description down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.